You know, everybody is mechanic. Yeah,
to our Airbnb. I will give you a little tour. This one bedroom. No, this one is Kira. I'm one, I think. I can't remember mine. I remember mine either, but hey, let's do it all. Let's tour downstairs first. Oh, this is the garage pool table. A half bathroom.
Cleaning.
Laundry room.
That's my baby girl. Kyrie.
Laundry room, another one. That's the kitchen area. That's quiche modeling around the house. Beautiful white chairs. Charlotte's wrong color for this shirt. Y'all getting the master bedroom?
No, master bedroom in the front too. I got the bed. Why?
This is the master bedroom here because this have a walk-in closet. That's the master bedroom. That's the walk-in closet one. But yeah, guys, that's the master bedroom now.
This one too. That one is for Kira.
That one for you. Over
I
there.
have a king bed in it, so you know Kira got. Which king bed? And that one.
She's got all I have in my face. I would have shown you all, but all I have in my face. But yeah, we going up the stairs. Punka's looking lost as usual. But we upstairs now. This is the next bedroom. Hi, Philly. Hi. It's Philly room, guys. It's Philly room, a bathroom. A sexy bathroom. Nice stuff, these things. There's another room. This is my room, yay! It's the bathroom.
Six, right? Oh, we think it was 6 beds.
Another room.
Look at it again.
There's 6 bedrooms. What this is?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 6.
Oh, okay.
That's 6.
Another restroom.
No, it's my room.
Another room. Another room. My room here then. So that's my room. So that's my room here?
Yeah, you can get up.
Hi. So that's my room here?
Sorry.
Yes.
Well, this is my room. My room, guys. Me, of course. My room. I have the his and her sink. Oh, my toilet area separate from. Okay, a little half bathroom here. Let's see what our shower is dealing with. Oh yeah, okay. I guess this will work. So yes, again, that's me. So yes, that's a little whole story about our Airbnb. So, time to move in. Okay, this is outside. The outside view. The pool area is outside. What?
Hey, I know you go to the grocery store, right? Grocery shop, then buy grocery and can't catch on it. Not the bar, catch on it.
That's the bottom.
My lord, 9 to you. 9 to you.
Shots.
My lord.
Fucking junkies. Big buzz ball.
Look under the trolley.
Outside with the boys. Outside with the boys. Oh, the girl. Outside with the boys. Happy New Year.
Let's make it money.
Let's go, Kevin. So it's officially cheers to the latest part of the Ferguson gang. Cheers to the Palmers, the Darlings, the Fergusons, and most importantly, to the Rolls. Happy New Year!
Well, before we take this toast, right? I would like to say a toast here. When birds do it, they fly. When bees do it, they die. When dogs do it, they get stuck. So cheers to everybody who loves the fuck.
Another year filled with love, happiness,
Prosperity. Joy. Market.
health.
More kids, all of the kids.
Ain't nobody having kids over here.
All of the kids.
Thank God for life.
Got that strength.
2025.
I want to talk.
JJ, what you gonna do?
I want to talk about.
Guess what? Cause when it comes to one fishing, he's number one. He's both in bowling. He's on meek and lowly. Both is bowling. Way down in the sky. Your future things kind of get.
Saxons, who are we the Saxons? Who are we the Saxons? On a 2 straight, 4 straight. Last year too, 4 straight.
Alright then.
4 straight.
Boxing Day.
Stars, baby, stars. We outside. Saxons are not. Look at the family. Look at the family getting on music. Look at the family getting on music. Look. Saxons.
The country in shambles.
Look. Saxons.
Yeah.
But if Bali the one you wouldn't say that.
She wouldn't have said that.
Which
She's a family.
The first
Good question.
or the
Which
next
family?
one?
Which one? Hey, you don't even know which one is the original. They don't even know who's the original.
After God they go on the shambles, man.
God say.
But you go random, yeah.